This is the process we go through for every individual part of a canopy or tray build. So for this particular part, we have a canopy door. Each part is exported from our CAD software into a library where we can then select the parts required. It then comes into a software that we call offline processing, and this software is what we use to generate the G code required to tell the CNC press where and what to bend and the angle to bend. So we first off have to start by telling the software our material. It automatically takes the material thickness from the part we've uploaded. We tell the software our bend compensation, which essentially just lets the software know for this material how much the material shrinks or stretches in the bend, and we apply the tooling we want for the material we're using. So at this stage we have our part, we have our machine, and we have the top and bottom tooling. So we call the top a punch and the bottom a die. We then tell the software in which order we want the folds to be bent. This is very important to minimize how often we have to change tooling, and some parts physically won't be able to be pressed in certain sequences. So we start for a canopy door, we first fold 2 short edges and then our 3 long edges. As you can see here, if we were to press our 3 long edges first, it'd make it very hard to press our short edge. We'd have to press them as 2 separate parts. But because we pressed them first, back when it was a flat sheet, we're able to press both those folds all in one press. We then take it into a simulation model where we can run it through its processes and check that we don't have any interference or that the machine's not hitting on anything. We can also check our CNC controlled backstops to make sure they are positioned correctly, and we can run the machine through each press, which will show us exactly the movements of the press and the movements of the part. Once we're happy with that, we export our G code to the machine, and our canopy door is now ready to be pressed.